Assalamu alaikum guys. So guys, right now we are at a fun fair in Goodmays Park. This is a nice one. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. And guys, welcome to another vlog. And guys, today is presumably Eid al-Fitr 2023. Today is the 21st of April 2023. It is Friday. And yesterday night we were just looking, and Saudi Arabia has announced that today is Eid, and for the mosques that follow Saudi Arabia today is Eid. However, we are right now in London, and yesterday in London night there was no crescent moon sighted. So technically in the local area tomorrow is Eid and today is not Eid in the UK. So technically we should be fasting today, but my dad follows a mosque that are doing Eid today. So yeah, we are going to be doing Eid today. And in Pakistan,
Subhanallah,
also tomorrow. So
Subhanallah.
Today,
So, look at the queue of 10 o'clock masjid. 10 o'clock.
we came late today. So guys, right now we are going to go inside the masjid and pray the Eid prayer. So yeah guys, let's go.
Look at the queue, mashallah.
Big queue.
9 o'clock is already in. And hey guys, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
I know you guys
to
all
everyone.
look at him,
Eid Mubarak to everyone. And just for the viewers, I was gonna think that there is a sunnat takbirat that you need to read when going towards the mosque for Eid namaz, which is Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, La ilaha illallah, Allahu Akbar.
And there's also another sunnah. Yeah.
And also it's a sunnah to go from one end and come from the other side of the mosque. And also
1 minute, channel. Also, the other sunnah, also another sunnah is that to look for your own chand and a moon in your own local area.
Yeah, that's also
which this guy's not
sunnah.
followed.
Yeah, it's okay. So eat something sweet and read takbirat.
Yeah.
So may Allah accept our fasting. And so Ali is standing in the rain now.
Yeah.
الله أكبر الله أكبر لا إله إلا الله الله أكبر ولله الحمد الله أكبر لا إله إلا الله أكبر ولله الحمد إن الحمد لله الذي جمل العيد بالسرور والأزمة على عباده شكرا وأحل زيارة المؤمنين وحرم صومه نحمده تعالى ونشكره على ما أعطى من مواهب الجود وحده لا شريك له عبد الله ورسوله سيد العرب والعجم صلى الله عليه وعلى آله وأصحابه وسلم أما بعد فيا معشر المسلمين.
So guys, after we read the Eid Salah and Eid Namaz, we rested for a few hours, and then after we had our lunch guys, we went to Funfair that was at Goodmays Park. Assalamu alaikum guys. So guys, right now we are at a fun fair in Goodmays Park. Right over here, as you guys can see, a very beautiful fun fair. And right now the time is 6:30. So guys, 6:30 is right now the time. And what you guys saw last was we read the Salah of Eid. So guys, right now we are at this Goodmays Park fun fair, and guys, we're just gonna have some fun over here. And I'm also with Isa, my lovely little sister. I don't know about lovely, but yeah, she is my sister.
Emotional damage.
So let's go.
Alright guys, so let's go. And by the way, from the past 2 years, we've been coming to this fun fair, and we've also been making a vlog for the past 2 years. So yeah, we're gonna carry on with the legacy, and Eid Mubarak to all of you guys. So yeah guys, Eid Mubarak to all of you guys, and yeah, let's go. So guys, we are right now entering the fun fair, the majestic fun fair. Right now. Hi. Now can you show the fun fair? That's the booster ride, and I am definitely not going on it. I am definitely not going on that ride. As are you? Are you going on that ride?
Never in my 100 years of living or how long I live.
So Isa said that she's not going to go on. So this is the fun fair, and Isa said that she's not going to go on Booster. And neither am I. Booster is this right over there. Anyway, guys.
That feeling where your hands are just like getting cold.
Yeah, it's right now. Eid is right now in spring, but it feels like winter in the UK, in London. So, guys, we are right now near the entrance of the fun fair, and we are right to go inside. And yeah, this is our 3rd year coming here on Eid al-Fitr and Eid Salah. We're right now entering the fun fair.
Quite cute. We're not big as last time.
So guys, we have entered the fun fair, and they gave us stamps, so we can go in and out if we want to.
Ow.
So we got the stamps, and now we are right now in the fun fair.
What's your views on fun fair?
It looks quite nice. It looks quite similar to last year, but I think I've seen some new different rides.
Yeah, and it's very spaced out, which is good.
Yeah, which is very good. So yeah guys, we're just gonna explore the fun fair, and then we're gonna go on some rides and have some fun. These are some sweets and stuff. Damn. Alright, let's go. Let's move on. Jaldi se aage बढ़ते हुए.
Yeah.
So guys, we have right now entered the mosque, and Isa did as. Guys, we're right now. So guys, we are right now entered the fun fair. Isa's entered the fun fair, and see what this ride is. So guys, we're right now deciding what ride we are going to go on. So I'm right now looking at different rides.
I am definitely not having anxiety right now.
She's having anxiety right now. Is that it? Damn. So guys, we're right now observing this ride. Damn. Oh my, no! Yeah, I'm not going on that one. No. I'm not going on that. I'm stuck for the law. No. Oh my God, Isa! Imagine if he went on that. Oh my God. Guys, I cannot go on that ride. I can't. That's too scary for me. I thought it was a nice and simple ride, but no, it ain't. Like, for the people that like it, it's a really nice ride. But personally, I would not try it.
on bumper cars?
Yes, guys, Isa has decided her first ride. Isa and my dad are going to go on bumper cars. Yeah.
This one. Let's go.
Okay, if you're riding in 8 seconds, let's go.
There's my seatbelt.
Seconds now, play the cash test.
I hope you guys can hear the music, and I hope you can hear me. You guys can hear me. If you can hear the music, please comment down below if you're enjoying it. By the way, we're only going the right side, not the left side. I keep forgetting my lesson rights. So sorry.
That's right on place.
We are super excited.
Guys, it's about to start. Oh, guys, we're about to go.
There we go. There we go.
Oh wow, there's lots of air. This is nice. Oh no. Yes, yes, we just got bumped. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. We are ready, guys. Oh my god. I can't believe I'm showing off my outfit. I got oh guys.
I think you're alright.
No, I'm fine. I don't want to show.
Right now.
Oh my god, I'm so sorry if you guys are wearing headphones. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. Guys, oh my god. Guys, we are stuck. Never mind, we are not stuck. Hello. It's very fun. God, you're gonna fumble. Turn. Woohoo! Guys, I hope you're enjoying the video. The title really means it. Bumper cars.
Alright.
No, I'm fine. Oh my god.
Alright, nice.
Yeah. That was unexpected. Oh wow. Dad, you are good at driving. Guys, oh my gosh.
Just see what's going on concepts and that's it.
So far, never mind. I was about to say the coast is clear. I am so sorry for my screaming.
The next ride on the budget.
Oh guys, that was okay. That's crazy.
Have a wonderful day. Enjoy yourself. They are here.
That was epic. Especially, did you enjoy it? I loved it. Especially when that car bumped us from the back. That was so unexpected. So guys, we were on bumper car and it was super lovely. I'd rate it 9.9 out of 10.
Say it.
So guys, we're about to go on our second ride.
Guys, we are right now going to go on our second ride. Well, Isaac's second ride and my first ride. We're going to go on this ride. The name is Waltzer. I don't know what the name is, but yeah, that's said Waltzer. I don't know. Waltzer. Whatever the name of this ride is, we're going to go on this ride. Like if you can show it out, this ride. So yeah, guys, we're going to go on this ride. This is my second or first time trying this ride. I don't know. So yeah, guys, we're gonna go on this ride. Alright, guys. So now let's go inside. When this ride stops, we're going to go inside. Alright, so guys, we're right now going. Alright, guys, I'm right now hoping. So guys, I'm right now hoping that the mic does not get lost, and I really hope the mic does not get lost. So yeah, guys, we're about to go on this ride. People are probably thinking, who is this guy talking to? Anyway, guys, let's go. I hope you guys can right now hear me. Where, who? Anyway, let's go. Okay, bro. I'm scared of it. Look. Which one should we go on? Oh my god, okay guys, so we are right. So guys, we are right now sitting, oh my gosh. So guys, we are right now sitting down on, on the ride, and we're just waiting for it to start. So guys, the ride is about to start. So, okay. Alright guys, so the ride has started, and nothing too scary yet. Oh my god, okay. Oh, this is nice. Okay, we're moving a pretty nice and calm ride so far.
All I have to do is just keep a straight face.
Oh my god, the music is so loud. Hi! This is some sort of Bollywood song. Oh my god, okay. Alright, it's starting to go faster, guys, Alright guys, guys, the mic's still on me.
Yes.
Oh my god.
I mean, like, what is this record just keeping a straight face?
Oh my god. Guys, it's going pretty fast. Actually, it's not. Actually, it's not that fast, but it's alright. Okay, it's getting faster. It's getting faster, guys. Is the mic still on me? Yes. Guys, I'm worried if the mic falls out. Stop being so dramatic. Hi, guys. Oh my god. Hi, guys. It's not that fast, Isa. Oh my god, it's kind of, well, oh my god. Hi guys! Oh my god. Guys, it's a pretty fun ride, I'm enjoying myself. Hello! Oh my god! Guys, I'm laughing! I want it to go more fast. Guys, I'm getting dizzy. Guys, I'm getting more dizzy. Oh my god, guys, I'm getting dizzy. Oh, I'm getting dizzy. Oh my god. But guys, I'm enjoying myself. This is a really nice ride. Oh my god. I'm screaming so weirdly. Is the mic still on me? Yes. It's not that fast, it's nice. It's so Bollywood. Wait a minute.
You're still living.
Oh my god. Oh my god, guys, I'm starting to go a little faster. Okay, now it's 3 minutes. Okay, now the pace is going 3 minutes. Okay, I don't know what to say. Oh my god, guys, it's going pretty fast. Oh my god, guys, it's going pretty fast. Yeah. Oh my god. Is it stopping now? No. Is it really stopping? I want it to go more. Come on. It's not that fast. It should go more fast. I want this to go more fast. I actually want it to go fast. It was pretty mid. Nah, don't tell me they're stopping. Yes! No! Oh no, I think they're ending it. They're ending it. Bro, that was it. Oh no, they're not ending it. They are ending it. Are they ending it? Oh, they're ending it. It's ended. Guys, I liked it, but it was a little bit too short. Alright, Isaac, come. Isaac, boy. I'm sure. Okay. Right, it was, I think I've been on this ride before and it was much faster than it is today. It was a nice ride, it was a little bit too much short, guys, but I liked the overall experience. But guys, it should have been more faster. The ride should have been more faster and more longer.
Okay, now I want to go.
Isaac, do you think it was nice fast? Do you think it was good? Well guys, I personally think it should be more faster. It was not that fast. Now she wants to go back on.
Isaac wants some ice cream, yeah?
Yep. No, this isn't vegan sauces. So yeah guys, we've got our ice creams. Isaac's got a plain cream and I've got a feast. So yeah guys, I've got my feast ice cream. So guys, I'm gonna open my feast ice cream. This is the second time I think I'm trying it. Once I tried it on a school trip. Oh sheesh. Oh no. So guys, Isaac. Feast ice cream pretty nice. How's your ice cream? That's so nice.
I seriously hope I don't make any of you jealous.
Pretty nice.
Because I don't know.
Whilst eating,
So guys, the ice cream's pretty nice. And guys, now I'm going to show you guys all the food stalls and
now at 9 o'clock
other stalls that are also in this Funfair
to see some fireworks.
while we enjoy our ice cream.
The moon.
This is like a gourmet burgers, sausages, halal stall. Yeah, halal sausages and all that stuff. This is some other like food stores, shawarma, 100% halal, and then like chips and wings and burgers and all that.
Oh my god!
Oh, oh my god! Oh my god!
happen.
So yeah, let's move on to some other stores. Guys, these are some other stores. Some other so guys, these are some other these are some other food stalls that they have right over here. Yeah, like a different, very large variety of food. Halal. Golgappe, masala chips, masala puri, masala tea. Oh my god, guys, some like donuts and like So guys, now there are some dessert shops over here, dessert stalls over here.
You try pancake with chocolate.
Let's see.
Okay, let's continue to go and we'll come back.
Okay. So guys, these are some like face painting and other like straws of perfume and other stuff. So Isa has
So guys, after that we went home, but guys, now we are going to go back to the main park to see some fireworks. However, on the way, we saw the moon.
Okay, nice.
It's okay. It's okay. It's just too chocolatey and too sweety for me. Let's try this. Oh!
Okay, so no one's eating the marshmallows.
I mean, too chewy. Not good for my teeth now. It's not that good. The marshmallows have a fruity. The marshmallows have like a fruity taste, and then with chocolate, it just doesn't. It's not go together. Oh.
Guys, moon is sighted in United Kingdom. It's visible.
Hey guys, right now, today is the 21st of April, Friday's night, and the moon of Shawwal has been visible today. And me and my dad are right now having a debate if this is Eid's first day's moon, Eid's first day's chand, or Eid's second day's chand, or Eid's second day's moon. So you guys can decide in the comments. Probably not coming. I think this is kind of. Video quality is very bad. Video quality is very bad. Is this the Eid's first day's moon or Eid's second day's moon? Now, what do you think?
Second day.
What do you think?
Second day. Because
Dad thinks second day.
First day is not like this. I have seen first day is thinner than this.
Okay, Dad thinks that first day is thinner than this.
Yeah, I've seen first day's chand there.
Okay.
Let's go. So, as the astronomers,
predicted that the moon will be sighted today, Friday night. But I personally think that this is the first day of Eid, and we celebrated Eid on the wrong day. That's what I personally think. But I need to probably discuss with some astronomers. Alright guys, right now we are going to go to fireworks in Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. And guys, right now we are back at Good Maze Park. MashaAllah, there is a lot of ronak, a lot of people here. And guys, the reason that we are back here at this time, this late, is because there are going to be fireworks at 9:30. Right now it is 9:15, and there are going to be fireworks at 9:30. So we are right now over here to see those fireworks, and inshallah. And yeah, so guys, let's look at the fireworks, and yeah, we're gonna document and vlog the whole thing. So guys, let's go inside Funfair once again. And there's Metropolitan Police over here to guard the event. So guys, there's fireworks, like she said there's going to be like down here somewhere.
No, on the other side.
So we're just going to walk. Yeah, on the other side. This is the other side, Isa. So yeah guys, mashallah.
So guys, we're about to reach there. Oh my god guys, I'm so excited.
So guys, right now we are walking towards the place where the fireworks are going to be conducted.
Oh wow.
And I have my lovely sister Isa with me.
Hello. Oh my god, I can't even see the camera.
Oh my god. Alright guys, we are right now walking towards where the fireworks are going to be conducted, and mashallah it's quite cold. That's why I'm wearing my little coat, not my big coat. Yeah, I do have two coats.
Yeah, he has two coats.
It's quite dark, but we've turned on the flash on the camera as well.
Yeah, so we can't look at the camera.
So yeah. So guys, we have right now reached the place where the fireworks are going to be going to happen. So guys, we are right now at that place where the fireworks are going to happen. We are right now waiting for the fireworks. And yeah. Oh my god guys, I think the fireworks might start now. I think they're about to start, maybe. Yeah, let's see. Man, when are they gonna start? I'm waiting. Ah god.
You okay, yeah?
Yeah.
Apni jagah, somebody will go there.
Here we go. 10,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Wait. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Will it work? Oh my god! Oh my god. Oh wow. MashaAllah. My dad. Oh, MashaAllah. Oh wow. Oh god. Oh my god, guys, the fireworks have happened. Wow. This is beautiful. Oh god. Oh my god.
What's this? What's this?
What on earth is going on? Oh my god. That make from the ground as well. That show the ground. Show the ground. Yeah, mashallah. Oh my god, wow. This is not that nice, man. Oh my god, what is happening? Is that it? Come on, that can't be it. Yes, we do. We want more. Yeah.
No! Who said no?
Someone said no.
Somebody bring him out here.
Oh, someone said no. Oh wow, fireworks.
Don't step forward, okay? You put that up, don't step forward.
Alright, so guys, the fireworks. Alright, there's more fireworks. It's nice.
On the count of 3, everyone say 1 E. 3, 2, 1. Takbir! Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar!
Oh wow, okay, this is beautiful. Guys, it looks much more better on real life on camera. On the camera, it looks pretty dim. In real life, it looks nice.
Beautiful.
Wow, it's so beautiful. That's nice. It's nice.
Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar!
As a boy in the tributaries. Oh wow. Okay. Oh my god. Dad, do your things. That's why I can say that's it. I'm behind the color. MashaAllah, MashaAllah, these are really nice fireworks. MashaAllah.
Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar!
Oh my god. MashaAllah, guys, this is a nice celebration. This is beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Oh. That was beautiful. That was so nice. It was amazing. Oh, MashaAllah. Subhanallah. Oh. Oh my god. Oh. Wow, MashaAllah. In the end, it's so nice. Oh.
Amazing.
Wow.
MashaAllah, wow. Is that it? Oh no, there's more. That's it. Oh. Oh, there's more. Oh my god, mashallah.
They're shooting on the floor.
Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god.
They're shooting on the floor.
They're kind of, well, they're not really shooting on the floor.
They are.
Oh. Oh.
Look down.
Yeah, I know.
You can see one.
Oh my god, wow. Mashallah. Wow.
These are
Is that it? No. Oh, mashallah. Guys, these are really nice fireworks. Wow, just look at the beauty.
Nice one, isn't it?
Yeah, it's really nice. They've done quite a lot. Wow, mashallah. It's really nice. Is that it? Oh my god. Oh my god. Mashallah, guys, this is really nice. Oh my god, mashallah, guys, this is really beautiful. Can I show from bottom? Oh my god. Oh my god, absolutely. Oh my god. Is that it? Oh. Oh my god, mashallah. So beautiful. That's it. Oh! Mashallah. Oh god. Oh wow, they've done really good. Wow. That's it. Oh. It's nice. It's really nice. It's pretty nice.
That's why I want to.
Oh. This is a nice one. They've done it really nice. Oh, mashallah. Mashallah.
Whoa.
Allahu Akbar. That's it. Oh, there's more. Oh my god. Oh wow, mashallah, mashallah. That's it. That has to be it. That was really nice, mashallah. That was really nice. That was a nice one. Oh my god! Don't tell me there's more. Oh my god. There can't be more. There can't be more. There can't be more.
How do you reckon, Isa? What do you reckon?
I don't know. I don't know. 10 out of 10.
Wow, mashallah.
What do you reckon?
I personally, I think it was nice. It was wonderful.
1,000,000 out of 10.
10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.
Support us. We'll see you guys in the Adha in June. Say inshallah.
Inshallah.
Inshallah. Assalamu alaikum. It's gonna be in June now.
It's gonna be in June now. Mashallah.
Wait, this June or next June?
Yeah, in Eid Salah, it's gonna be in Eid Salah in 2 months' time. So yeah, guys, that was it. It was absolutely wonderful. Like first, like you thought they was gonna end, but then it was still there. So yeah, guys, that was absolutely wonderful, absolutely beautiful, mashallah, and it was totally worth coming over here to see that. So mashallah, really beautiful colors.
Let me buy you the torch.
It was really nice. Wait, what do you mean by torch? Oh, these torches. How much are they? Let's see. So guys, we're right now apparently going to buy some torches. Let's see if that happens. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Ask me, ask me, ask me.
Oh, they're selling them over there. So guys, we're gonna buy like this type of light. Go. Where are they?
Who is selling it?
Who is selling them? They said this one was selling. Alright, let's go. How much are they? Where's Isa? Isa? Oh, Isa's over here.
Okay. Yeah, how much?
It's £2 for one.
Yeah. Yeah, two of them, please. Yes. Hold this one, yeah.
Okay, I've got it.
What colours do you want?
As a color.
What color is there?
There's green, yellow, pink, red, blue.
Isa, which one do you want?
Pink.
Pink. I'll take blue.
What colour do you want?
So guys, Isa's got the pink one and I've got the blue one. The torch. They're £2 each, quite cheap. And that's it. Thank you. Right, okay.
Just open it now.
Okay.
Alright, Dad, I'm not.
That's here.
This is mine.
Thank you very much.
Alright. Oh my god. Alright. Okay, Dad, if I just open my one as well. Dad, if you just take that. Oh my. Okay, how do you. Oh my. Guys, we're kind of puzzled how to turn these on. Let's see what's happening.
Ask them, ask them.
How do you turn this on?
Oh, this one's the one.
Does this one work?
Yeah,
Wait, does
just
this
turn
one-
it up. Yeah, that one works. Your one works.
Alright, guys, mashallah. Guys, mashallah, habibi. Oh, you have to.
There's not a pink left. What colour do you want?
I'll take another one.
Put the mic towards us.
Isa, both of you.
Alright, so guys, we just got this
One.
thing, guys.
Yeah,
Mashallah.
plastic.
Also, this little like stick, mashallah, like torch, sword type thing. Mashallah, it's really nice, and it can also go in. Up. So yeah.
Harry Potter again.
Which one do you have? Oh, okay.
I have the red one.
So guys, this Eid Fitr 2023 vlog comes to an end. It was a very long vlog, and yeah, guys, it has officially come to an end. And yeah, guys, you guys saw that we went to the Funfair, we read the Eid Salah, and now we looked at the fireworks. So yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. So yeah, guys, from my family to yours, I would like to wish all of you guys Eid Mubarak. May this Eid bring you blessings, and may Allah accept your fasting in the holy month of Ramadan. And yeah, guys, Eid Mubarak, and I'll see you guys in the next video.